Yo, what up, everybody? I know it's been a while.
Please fasten driver's seatbelt.
It's been a while. I haven't uploaded a video. It's just I haven't really been doing anything to the car, and I'm in New York, and it's cold now. But just got out of work, and actually a friend of mine is coming down from Boston. D. He's gonna help me out with the Fusebox relay. I'm gonna tuck it inside the car. So yeah, let's see. He's about to come down. Might pull out the harness out of the car today and just go inside since it's pretty cold, or I don't know, he's just gonna come down for the weekend. But yeah, let's see what happens. Got the Mossy over here. Martin.
Yo. You gotta say what's goody. This guy always says what's goody. And I always laugh because I can't hold it in. He's like, what's goody? I'm like,
Why?
this is funny, man. I know he's gonna say it and it's funny.
It's like 1 in the morning right now, but I had to come show him the car real quick.
Yep.
At least take out this harness.
3-hour drive, he better show me the car.
I need to disconnect. It's a little down there.
Oh,
Do we need the light in here more?
yeah. Nah, we're good. Oh, it's too big. I could use a Phillips if you have one.
It's too.
I brought my bag, it's right there, I have one.
I got one in here. I know. No, that's a flathead. Yeah, I don't think I got one.
I got one in my my little tool thing.
Where's that?
On the floor, I think.
We're back inside. Just V over here gonna do his thing right now. Take out the old room.
We're gonna try.
Martin over here came to New York wearing the Timbs. He's dead ass right now. That's why you wore it, because you was coming to New York?
Nah, I had them on since the morning.
Nah, he asked me. He's like, yo,
That's
so
some
we're
New
going
York
to New
thing
York.
to do.
Nah,
That's in New York.
nah, he called me. We're going to New York.
to
We're
blend
going to
in.
New York. Right? I was like, yeah. He's like, all right, I gotta wear Timbs then.
So they can know I'm dead ass. But before.
This is the before. This ain't the finished. But I'm trying to keep myself from cutting as many wires as I can. So that's a good number right there. Is 12. It's better than cutting all these and having like maybe 30 plus wires. So 12 wires. The biggest wire size is a 12 gauge. And I think there's only one of them. The rest of them are 16 or 18. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. Right now we're gonna end up using these alligator clips. It kind of helps me hold the wire. So yeah, pretty much you clamp one side over here and then the other side, and then this will help you hold the wires in place. So you don't have to, you really don't have 3 hands. You have 2 hands. Unless I use Martin's hand, then I have 4. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna get going. I'm not trying to be here all night.
With aromas that awaken our emotions and tastes like cinnamon dancing on our tongue. Because it's the recipes we pass on to the next generation.
Just gotta heat up the wire first so that I don't know, it just helps it. So I always heat up the whole wire. This is like the hardest one to do though, the 12, because that shit is just annoying. It's gonna smoke up the most because it takes so long to heat up.
The out here smoking up the whole house.
Yeah, this one's gonna smoke up the most because there's so much.
It's the next day. Rise and shine. Got the healthy guy eating the best right now.
Keto diet. Thank you.
You're welcome. But you don't want me to take it to the cleaners? I'll take it to the cleaners. Okay. If you want to take the dress, it's in the bottom there. Y yo lo llevo. I was asking you that day because I didn't know.
Am I doing it right?
Gotta move it around.
Oh, this thing got stuck.
No, don't. Yeah, you just keep heating the wire to, and then put it on top of the wire, and it'll melt through in a little bit. Just gotta keep heating the wire.
Take glasses of what?
You'll feel it melt through.
It's not melting.
It's melting.
Put some on the thing. All on it. On the
I feel
gun.
it melting now.
It's melting through. There you go. Just keep it on the wire and keep moving it. You'll see it melt through. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. Yeah. Pretty good. You did it. And then, you just need to.
Huh? Work on it in here. Melted on me.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Finally, about what? 12 hours later. Took half a day. The finished product. Come hit up the garage and make sure all these lights working now. Alright guys, so it's days later. Just been a little lazy to come over here. Just showing you guys, you know, in the light, more or less, so you can see how it was done. So we pretty much routed it in the same stock location. So yeah, let me show you guys. It goes down there, you know, the same stock location. And it goes in there. Yeah, I don't have the turbo on right now. I took it off. But this is it right here, the stock harness. We loomed it up. It goes under there. And you know, it just goes in the same stock location. We just, you know, extended a whole bunch of wires. The headlight, you know, nice and tucked. This is how it's looking now. Just need to fix it up a little. But everything works. All the lights. Only thing I need to extend is actually this ground to go in the stock location. Let me show you. Which goes right there. So I need to extend that a little. But yeah, we extended almost all the wires that we need.
And all the ABS is jammed up in here since I'm not using that. And then all the headlights again. Can't really see them. It's pretty much tucked. I'll show you guys the inside. I still haven't even finished it. And here it comes in the same spot from down there. I just threw it behind here. You know, plugged everything up obviously, and it runs back there. It comes out here. Yeah, I'm gonna probably throw it in here. I just need to, drill the hole. But for now, it's done. It's just right here. This is it right here, fuse box. What we pretty much did was we had to extend. Let's see, we had to extend this fuse box harness. We extended the radiator fans, the headlight harnesses, and we also extended, what did we extend? The AC canister. The AC canister, because the stock location is down here in the corner, but obviously I'm not gonna put it there. I don't know, I will probably put it right here under the headlight somewhere or under this side. I still haven't decided, but yeah, so it was really time consuming. It took us almost a full day. Thanks to Dimasi, he came through and helped me out with that. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's looking. Just like I said, I just need to extend that ground. We missed that one. But yeah, other than that, it's really not, it's just time consuming. Like, now that I've seen it, it looks easy, but it's just really time consuming. And yeah, I mean, it literally took us almost 12-13 hours, but everything works and now it looks good. And that was one of the biggest things I had to get this car out. So now pretty much I just need to get an alignment and put the turbo back on, and I can just give it a little test drive before I get it ready to go tune or whatnot. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll link Dimasi's Instagram in the description so you guys can hit him up so you can get your fuse box extended.